To set lock screen, active or paused status on notifications as hide content in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select hearing enhancements, tap sound notifications, and then select settings. Tap sound notifications are paused if you turn off sound notification, and if turn on, tap sound notifications are active. And then turn on live transcript and sound notifications. If off, tap show notifications switch until blue to turn on, and then scroll down, tap active or paused status, and then scroll down, tap lock screen, and then select hide content. Now active or paused status set as hide content in lock screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.